Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quentin here, and welcome to tutorial number 6. And in this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you guys about linking to another web page. Okay, so before we can actually link to another web page, we need to make one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go to a new document here and just paste it, and save it as something. Okay, so I'll save it as second page .html. Okay, now make sure that you save it in the same folder as your index file. Okay, so I've basically got a folder for each one of my tutorials so far, and because this is tutorial 6, I've got one index.html file here, so this second page file just needs to be in the exact same folder. Otherwise this isn't going to work because I haven't spoken to you guys about directory paths or anything yet. Okay, so just make sure they're in the same file or same folder. And now we've got these two web pages that actually look exactly the same. So just so that we can tell the difference, I'm going to put a different header on each page. So the first page can have a header, and it can just say home page or something, and the second page will also put a heading 1, but this heading can say this is the second page exclamation mark. Okay, so now we can tell the difference between these two web pages. So now we can actually put a link to one page and then see what that turns out looking like. Okay, now to put a link on your page, you have to actually type in some text that'll take you to the next page. Okay, so I'm going to put a paragraph here on this first page, and we'll just say would you like to go to the second page, question mark. Okay, so we've got this paragraph here, and now we can choose certain words that the user must click on to go to that second page. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and surround the actual words second page with our link. Okay, now to make a link, you're going to use this thing called an A tag, and A stands for anchor. Why they decided to name it a link and anchor tag, I don't know, but hey, they did it, so we got to deal with it. And we'll go ahead and end our A tag. Okay, so that's A and ending A. But to just simply surround our tag or our words with an A tag doesn't really make much sense, because how is HTML supposed to know which page to link to? Okay, and that's where these things called attributes come into play. Okay, because we can't just put an A tag here. HTML doesn't know where to go or what page to link to, so we need to give it a little bit of extra information. And that is what attributes are there for. Though attributes are these little bits of extra information that some HTML tags need to work. So to tell HTML where we actually want to send the user to when they click on this link, we use the href attribute. Okay, so this you're going to put in on every single one of your links, and we're going to set this equal to something. Okay, so what we have to set our href equal to is the location of this page. Now because they're in the same folder, I made it easy for myself, and all I have to do is type in second underscore page dot html. So I just have to type in this page's name. So now when I go ahead and I save this and then I run this in Firefox, you can see I've got a link here. It's turned blue, it's underlined, and when I click on it, I go to the second page. So here we've got the first page, I click on it, we go to the second page. So that's pretty cool. Our link is working, and the reason why is because of this href attribute. So that's what that's there for. Okay, so we've covered how to link to another web page on our computer. But what happens if we wanted to link to another website altogether? So in other words, we wanted to link to Google or something, okay? Well, then we can just change this paragraph up a little bit, just to say here, search on this great website Google. Okay, and then we just surround the word Google with our link tags, which are A and ending A. And for our href, we have to put in the full URL for the Google's website. So we have to go ahead and put in http www.google.com. Okay, so that's Google's full URL. And now when we go ahead and we save this and go back to Firefox, click refresh, you can see we've got a link here to Google, and when we click on this, we go through to Google. So how cool is that? We've just linked to not only a different web page on our website, but we're also linked to a completely different website altogether. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, or share the video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys next time.